Hey, I'm Jay Hurt, relationship coach. Welcome to my channel, The Confident Charismatic, where we talk about charisma, confidence, and winning at life. People are always interested in how to have more friends. Have you ever noticed charismatic people never have a problem having friends? Let's master the art of winning friends. Y'all ready? Let's get it. It's kind of interesting. People talk to me about having more friends or winning friends, yet this is something I never considered in my own life, not even for a second. Why? Come closer. Closer. Right there. You know why? Here's the secret. Winning friends is an oxymoron. Let me explain. There are a few elements in becoming friends. Let's look at 5 of those elements you can do to win friends. Number 1, make sure you're listening. This is the most important. Stop trying to win friends. You're overdoing it, bruh. You're doing too much. I know this is a positive channel, but I had to take it there for a moment. The number 1 way you win friends is by not trying to win friends at all. It's a paradox of life in many ways. Watch your charismatic friends. They have it figured out. People like people they enjoy being around. Chemistry develops and shows up without you trying to do anything. You find out you like similar places to eat. You enjoy the same type of movies, video games, or maybe pasta. Ironically, sometimes you become friends with people that have several things where you have opposing interests or views. That's okay. This is an opportunity for each of you to learn more about the other and grow. Sometimes you may never like many of the same things. The commonality is your interest in learning and being aware of life outside of yourself. There's something about your personality and your friend's personality that just meshes. It's just that simple. Let the church say amen. Number 2, friends enrich your life and you enrich theirs. You will know your real friends because the relationship is reciprocal. Yeah, I said it. I hope that didn't sting too much because we know there are some people in your life where the relationship isn't so complimentary. You will know who your people are because they will fill a friend-sized void in your life and you do the same in theirs. You may not serve them the same way they serve you, but they fill an appropriate space at the right time in your life and you do the same for them. Complementary friendships naturally cultivate themselves. You become more vulnerable, loyal, and deeply committed to friends when you enhance each other's lives by just being there. Number 3, your relationship with your friend is fun and enjoyable. Check this out. Imagine you were dating someone, but you really didn't enjoy it. You were just trying to make it happen because you felt like you needed to be with someone or you needed to have a beautiful woman on your arm, but you couldn't stand her personality. Now relate that scenario to friendship. We want friends in our lives, but not because it makes us feel good about ourselves or it's cool to be around them because of their status or their money. You want to kick it with people who are fun and enjoyable to be around. Charismatic people don't hang out with people because of what they have or who they know. Confident people want to be around others who have confidence, likability, and know how to have fun. My friends are fun. I look forward to hanging out, talking with them, kicking it with them. If I wanted to be sad, y'all, I could watch the news or an Eagles game. Little side note, I'm a Cowboys fan. It's all love, Philadelphia. It's all love. Listen, you will recognize people who will be your friends when you find people who will laugh with you and enjoy what you enjoy. Number 4, there's an undeniable compatibility. As a relationship coach, I have shared 3 important components to every relationship. You can find those here. Friendships are much the same. Just as in romantic relationships, there's a level of compatibility that you find as you get to know each other. You enjoy communicating in the same fashion, whether that's talk, text, email, DM, whatever it looks like. Your lives just fit together. Being compatible is essential to friendship. You find it as you grow your friendship. How do you make time for each other? Do you talk while you're driving? Do you meet up at a coffee shop or go to the gym to work out together? Fellas, do you rearrange your schedule to book tea times together or do you catch a local ball game together? Whatever you do, when you find there are ways to make your lives and schedules work, and most importantly, you're both willing and want to hang out, there's a compatibility that always makes for a dope friendship. And number 5, this could have easily been number 1, being authentic. You will hear this a lot on this channel. It's a common misconception that charismatic people aren't always authentic. When you're confident in who you are as a person and what you bring to the table, people will gravitate toward you because of your authenticity. Being yourself is the strongest trait that you carry. You're unique, and you're the only you that we have. There are people that will find your brand of quirkiness or unorthodox personality the perfect match for their quirkiness and unorthodox personality, if I can say that word right. We're going to make it through. That's what makes you unique. That's also what makes you great and a perfect friend for the person who you meet and gets your jokes, listens to reggae and K-pop like you do, and you both happen to watch the Confident Charismatic on YouTube. Shameless plug. In essence, winning friends isn't winning friends at all. It's simply the art of creating space for people who fit in your space and your life and want to share it with you. What is something that has worked for you in developing friendships? Let's chop it up in the comments. Listen, I can't say it enough. I appreciate the love and support. Smash the like button, share, comment. As always, I hope charisma is your superpower. I appreciate you.